Hello there. Today we will look into the 7 dangerous myths about the Fair Credit Reporting Act and what you can do to protect your rights. Think you know your credit rights? These 7 myths could be costing you. Myth 1. Credit reports are always accurate. Fact. 1 in 5 credit reports contains an error. You can dispute and fix them. Mistakes like incorrect balances, wrong account statuses, or even someone else's account can show up on your file. That's why it's important to regularly check your reports and dispute any inaccuracies. Myth 2. Fraudulent accounts can't be removed. Fact. If you're a victim of identity theft, you have the right to remove them, and we can help. Federal law protects victims of identity theft and allows them to block fraudulent accounts from being reported. You don't have to live with the damage. Myth 3. Disputes take forever. Fact. The law requires agencies to respond within 30 days. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, credit bureaus must investigate your dispute and report back within 30 days or 45 days in some limited cases. Myth 4. Only credit bureaus are accountable. Fact. Lenders and debt collectors can be liable too. If a furnisher, like a bank, auto lender, or collection agency, gives inaccurate information or fails to investigate your dispute properly, they can be held legally responsible. Myth 5. Old debt stays on your report forever. Fact. Most negative items must be removed after 7 years. Late payments, charge-offs, and collection accounts typically fall off after 7 years, even if you still owe the debt. Myth 6. If they say it's accurate, you're stuck. Fact. If they ignored your evidence, you may have the right to sue. You're not out of options if your dispute was rejected without a real investigation. Failing to consider your documentation could be a violation of the FCRA. Myth 7. Credit lawyers are too expensive. Fact. At Sue Your Credit Report, we offer free consultations, and you may pay nothing unless we win. We fight for consumers on a contingency basis, which means we only get paid if we recover compensation for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more information and assistance, visit us at www.sueyourcreditreport.com.